Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Vijayawada location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for Andhra Pradesh Central Power Distribution Corporation Limited. They are looking for energy assistants. There are 86 vacancies available. For detailed information, you can browse the official website address of Andhra Pradesh Central Power Distribution Corporation Limited, that is https://www.apcpdcl.in, and there is a detailed information available like detailed notification will be available at the provided website address. Consultant pay to work in village secretariats or ward secretariats. This is will be a job locations will be as per the village and ward. And for more details like age, education qualification, syllabus, and test date of uploading of applications through online and last date of submission of applications, everything will be available at the official website address. If you have any questions, let us know below in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for KCP Siddhartha Others Residential Public School located in Vijayawada. They are looking for faculty positions, and firstly, first class postgraduates with recognized BEd degree in the relevant subject with a minimum of 3 years of teaching experience in CBSE schools to teach chemistry, economics, and English, to teach students of CBSE +1 and +2 classes. And they are also looking for English, mathematics, and physics teachers to teach the students of classes between 4th and 10th in CBSE stream. Qualification is TCT with recognized BEd degree in the relevant subject and methodology having a minimum of 3 years of teaching experience for these subjects. Salary will be commensurate with qualification and experience. Selected candidates are required to stay in the staff quarters provided to them. You have to apply within a week. So this advertisement came on April 5th, 2021. So you have to apply within a week, like April 12th, 2021 will be last date to apply for these job positions. The email ID is siddhartha75@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Siddhartha Academy of General and Technical Education. They are looking for various staff positions, vacancies available like senior assistants, senior accountants, office assistants cum data entry operators, campus maintenance supervisors, caretakers for hostels. Both men and women are required. For senior assistants, qualification is post-graduation in commerce or arts having not less than 10 years of administrative work experience in educational institutions or otherwise should be familiar with computerized works. So this is the qualification details. For senior accountants positions, first class postgraduates or commerce graduates with good working experience of not less than 10 years in handling day-to-day computer-based accounting work and familiarity with matters of all kinds of taxation and statutory compliances required. For office assistants and data entry operator positions, qualification is graduates of commerce or science with good working experience of not less than 4 years is required. For campus maintenance supervisors, diploma holders in civil engineering having experience in construction and maintenance works may apply for this position, and retired personnel may also apply. Caretakers for hostels, both men and women hostels is required. Both male and female candidates are required for this position. Preferably graduates with experience in a similar post in hostels and those prepared to stay in the hostels and aged 40 plus years is required. For posts serial number 1 and 2, that is senior assistants and senior accountants, who applied earlier are not selected need not to apply again. Applications along with copies of certificates relating to academic qualifications and experience may be mailed to the provided email ID. Salary commensurate with qualifications and experience. Email ID is siddhartha academy75@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Pharmova Fertilizers Private Limited. They are looking for various positions like regional managers and assistant sales managers and sales officers for various locations. For regional managers, they have two vacancies for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana regions. If we see the qualification details, should have a minimum 15 years of experience in fertilizers marketing. Also, past experience as zonal or regional manager in fertilizers marketing is required. Salary will be based upon your profile, skill set and experience. And they are also looking for assistant sales managers and sales officers for the locations Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam, East Godavari district, West Godavari district, Krishna district, Kurnool, Kadapa, Anantapur, Naidpet, Kavali, Mahbubnagar, Adilabad, Nizamabad, Mancherial, Jangan, Ballari, Raichur and Gangavati districts. Eligibility, if you see, minimum 10 years of experience for as a assistant sales manager and minimum 5 years of experience for sales officers is required in fertilizers marketing. Salary will be based upon your profile, that is your skill set and experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, that is hr@farmova.in. Next, there is a job vacancies for teaching positions for a reputed CBSE school in Vijayawada location. They are looking for maths teacher to teach the classes from 3rd to 7th classes. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9398841627. Next, there is a job openings for a Idea Vodafone store. They are looking for female telecallers. Job location is Karur, Vijayawada. Age limit is minimum 20 years to up to 30 years of age will be considered. Minimum qualification is degree or above. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8886890101. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive for a coastal district for Aksar Paints organization. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. Salary will be minimum 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is tirupathi@agsar.net and contact number is 99638 Next, there is a job vacancies for Durgarao and company. They are looking for accounts assistants with qualification BCom along with knowledge of MS Office. CA articles may also apply for this position. Job location will be Vijayawada near Raj Towers Hotel. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 98661 Next, there is a job vacancies for My Accounts website. They are looking for best ERP MNC company for a position VBNet or ASP.NET programmers. Minimum 1 to 10 years of experience is required. There is a full-time position and work from home options is available. Salary offered minimum 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. You can contact on the given WhatsApp number. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. You can also share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. The WhatsApp number is 95151 and contact number is 8008469124 and email ID is hr@myaccounts.in. Next, there is a job openings for operator and storekeeper positions like system operator and storekeeper positions for LG Service Center located in Vijayawada. Qualification is 10th or intermediate or any degree. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9500034312. Next, there is a job openings for a YouTube channel. They are looking for marketing or ad executives. The location will be opposite to SRR College, Machavaram, Vijayawada. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 95506 Next, there is a job openings for Sridevi Publications located in Gandhinagar, Vijayawada. They are looking for DTP operator position. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 98481 Next, there is a job openings for supervisor position and auto corner fitter. In a spinning mill, experience is required minimum 10 years and above. You can contact on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 93939 and there is two email IDs available. One is amith@ramspg.com and one more is vsancheti267@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for supervisor position and manager and engineers also, with qualification like mechanical, electrical and polymers, to work at iZip Autos located in Karansi Nagar, Vijayawada. Minimum experience is required 2 years in automobiles. You can contact on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 98480
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.